I get it. You're frustrated with your financial portfolio, and I'm going to tell you why you're frustrated. Because you're not making any investments. See, the wealthy invest in real estate. The wealthy invest in assets. They invest in systems that make them money. And you, my friend, you keep spending your money on shoes, clothes, food, that hot date. One of the things you can start investing your money in today is textbot. Textbot is artificial intelligence that makes you money. All you gotta do is share your number. You share your number, people call the artificial intelligence, does all the rest. So what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for checking out my video. Before we get started, do me a favor, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Also, for everybody out there that's stuck in their business, you've plateaued, you can't seem to get enough leads to look at your opportunity, I put a link below for some free training. Go check it out. Okay, so I'm back today, guys, with textbot. You've seen me talk about this system. It's an SMS texting software. When we say software, you don't have to download anything. Everything is automated, okay? What textbot is going to allow you to do is collect leads, phone numbers, okay? When you share your phone number, okay, textbot assigns you a phone number. When people call your phone number, you're actually at that point receiving a lead. Their number goes into your back office of textbot, and you can see all the numbers of the people that have actually called you. So you're collecting and building leads of people that's interested in textbot. And when they come into textbot and call the number, the system takes over. It's called Ava. Okay, it's an automated virtual assistant that's gonna just communicate via the chatbot with your prospects, okay, and get them to take a look at the textbot system. Now, what I love about textbot, not only are you going to be able to make $100 every time someone purchases textbot from your link or your phone number, instantly you get paid, okay? It also promotes your primary business, and I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to level up with textbot, promoting textbot, sharing your phone number or sharing your link, okay, and promote another business at the same time. And this particular business is going to pay you $200 commissions. So just think about if someone comes into your textbot system, and remember, Ava is going to be sharing that primary business with them as well. Now you're looking at $300, the possibility of $300 per sale, okay? When someone joins you in textbot, they pay you $100, and then if they join you in this other opportunity I'm going to show you, that's $200. So that would be $300 per person that possibly you could make by sharing your textbot phone number, okay? So let's go check it out. I'm going to show you the back office. We're going to get into that, and also another payment has come in for textbot. So this thing absolutely works. You're going to love it. Let's go check it out. Okay, so we're in the back office. So you go over, this is how you tie your primary website link in textbot. So if you have another business that you want textbot to promote for you at the same time, this is where you go. You click profile over here. This is where your picture is. You click that, click my profile, and you go right here where it says primary business, right? And it even tells you, this pops up. What's this? Do you have a primary business you want to introduce each of your referrals to? Enter the website address of business, the business below, to generate more leads and sales, okay? So right there, primary business, you put your link right there. For me, I'm going to put in www.30dayfreedomplan.com. That is Unlock with Elevation. That program pays out $200 per sale. So now I'm promoting textbot and I'm promoting Unlock Elevation, all within the TextBot system. Okay, so let's go check this out. Okay, let me show you where Ava, what's happening, a most recent chat. Okay, so you go over to your left here, right? Let's check out the chat. So I'm going to click chat, and Joseph just recently joined, right? So let's check out chat. What was chatting, the chatting conversation that took place. So right here, Ava, okay, was telling George after he accepted, you have to go in once, you'll see how they communicate. Ava is asking him to say yes to give us permission to text you. So he said yes, he gave his name, and then Ava comes down and say, did you get the link? And Ava is giving him my link to TextBot, the link that they create in the chat. However, also actually, they go back and they say, hey Joseph, thanks for the chat yesterday. So this is obviously the next day. It says, thank you for the chat yesterday. You're going to want to also check out this link, which is what I just showed you, www.30dayfreedomplan.com. So Ava is also promoting that link for me in addition to the TextBot link. Okay, and they also even tell him that the company states that they've paid out $1 million in commissions to affiliates. Okay, so right here you can see in the chat they're advertising my primary link that I listed in TextBot. So you can do that. Okay, if you don't have one, that's something you can work on, getting another business that you can promote back here. Like I said, this is perfect for what I'm doing, because now I'm going to level up, and now I have the chance to be able to make 300 now per sale. Because when someone, not only when they join, they're going to see at the bottom of their page, when they go down, so you can see the sales have gone up. When they go down on their page, when they log in, once they join, it's going to display right here. It says your inviter's recommended business opportunity. So they've already joined me, and they're going to click that link to see, well, what other opportunity does this person have? That's where my 30-day freedom plan link is going to show up. Okay, but before they join, Ava is still communicating with everybody to give them, right here, Ava's still going to display that information for prospects that's just looking at the opportunity. Okay, so it's going to be a win-win. Now let's talk about the $200 commissions. What is that program? Unlock Elevation. Let's go check that out. I'm going to give you a snippet kinda of this program. Okay, $200 commission you can make with this, and just check this out here.
It's painful, but be grateful. It hurts, but be grateful. It may be agitating, it may be irritating, but be grateful. Because whatever you are going through, it is working something in you. It is building something up in you. It is refining you to be able to go to that next level in your life. Be grateful for everything. Be grateful for the rejection. Be grateful for the circumstance. Be grateful when people walk out of your life. Oftentimes when people walk out of your life, it's because they were not designed to stay there. They were seasonal people. We were trying to make them an asset when they were only a liability. Or maybe they were an asset for a season, but then after that, they became expired.
Great stuff, guys. This program teaches you how to think differently, and it pushes you out of your comfort zone. So with this system, you become an ambassador, okay, over here with Unlock Elevation for $297 one-time charge. You get a back office, you get a website. Let me show you the capture page that you get. And I actually recently ran some traffic to it because I'm always testing things, and I'm getting quite a bit of opt-ins and interest for this program. Okay, so let's check out what you get here. Okay, here's the capture page. So you get a capture page with this, you're going to get a sales page. Let me show you what that looks like. This is the ambassador page. Has your name there. It brands you. Then right here you can tie in your social media. Okay. So this right here, become a brand ambassador so you can make $200 commissions. It's a one-up just like textbot. The first $200 you keep. The second sale passes up to your sponsor. So everybody that joins you as a brand ambassador, their second sale, the $200 will pass up. TextBot, same thing with TextBot. Your first $100 sale, you keep. Your second sale passes up. They kind of go hand in hand. And you can promote TextBot, and this will in turn promote this system at the same time. Awesome stuff. All right. Okay, so here's the sale that came in, the last one of the last sales that came in from Joseph. Thanks, Joseph. Welcome aboard. For TextBot, $100. It put me at $1,200 so far I've earned with TextBot. And when I say on a part-time basis, that means I have other programs that I'm promoting. This is not my primary business. Okay. However, I'm able to still make commissions, and you'll be able to do the same, guys. But we're putting a lot into this one. I even have a postcard for this, so if you're interested in postcard marketing for TextBot, I can share my postcard with you. But this is the way I'm going to use TextBot to promote Unlock Elevation and TextBot at the same time. One link, one number, 2 income streams. Okay, so with the potential of making $300 per person, not to mention TextBot has another level of a $500 program back there as well, guys. So you can use this system to push out different commission levels. 100, and then I'm going to put that link in there so you can see the unlock as well. This is going to be a great system for you to promote. Let me show you. I ran some traffic for this just to show you, just using that Unlock Elevation, because you can do it a la carte as well. But I want to see what type of response I would get for just using the Unlock Elevation capture page I just showed you. Let me show you all the leads that are flooding in. Okay, check it out. Unlock Elevation. This campaign just started, so I've got a lot more that's coming through. But if you could check it out right here, there's 3 people that created an account today. That means they're interested in becoming an ambassador. Then, of course, you got your leads that have come through. And then here's some more right here. 3, 13, 5, 4. So leads are coming in. I'm pushing it through there, but I'm going to be testing this. I'm always testing and tweaking. But just so you know, that Unlock Elevation capture page itself will convert, because there's the leads that's coming in that's showing you that alone works. And I have another system that I'm going to show you can use as well. But this is definitely something you want to take a look at. Okay, so join me in TextBot. As of the 8th, it's $150 now. Okay, to get started, and it says that on this page right here. So it's $150, and then you're going to also pay $10 for your credits. That's what helps TextBot be able to chat with your prospects. Okay, so you're looking at $160 to get the system to be able to make $100 over and over and over and over. And if you want to make those $200 commissions, join me in Unlock Elevation. Tie that link into TextBot, promote and share one number, one link, and be able to level up on those commissions. All right. If you have any questions about this, give me a call. I'm gonna put the link below. Go check this out. Get started with me in TextBot. I'm gonna place an ad for you. I'm gonna create a picture with your phone number on it. I will also share the postcard template that I have, as well as some social media training, some free training that you will have access to. All right. So with that being said, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay. Look forward to working with you guys. Be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.